Today I'm going to be reviewing the Tvoka TVOKA 16-in-1 multi-tool for bike repair. It's sold on Amazon by GVDV for $6.99, which is an awesome price. This little tool is also very handy. It's small, but it has a lot of things on it. So I'm going to go through all of what it has. So first, it's got the Allen wrenches, 6 Allen wrenches, ranging from 2 millimeter all the way up to 6 millimeter. So 2 millimeter, 2.5 millimeter, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So those, and they slide on their little bar pretty easily. And then over on this side, you've got quite a few different things, so I'll go through those. You've got, you've got 2 screwdrivers, a Phillips and a flathead right there. And then you've got this little thing where a socket wrench fits on there like that. And then you can do your thing. You've got several different sizes there. And then this is a solid wrench, and you see it has lots of different sizes on that too. So all in all, it's a very compact and convenient set to have. It's actually fairly heavy, but it's small. It would be easy to carry around with you on the bike, and would be great for emergencies or just basic repairs. So I really recommend this. Again, it's sold by GVDV on Amazon currently for $6.99.